Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. Well, I'm going to do this review a little bit in advance. You see, I got this box here from Peaky Hat, and tonight they're going to be on the Gentleman's Roundtable. However, I wanted to do a review on this that I'll post tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. You'll actually see this. But I want to kind of give you my first initial thoughts of trying it on. Also, little PSA announcement here is that I was recently chosen to be an affiliation program with Peaky Hat. So with that being said, I'm going to put a link in the description. So if you guys ever purchase Peaky Hats, click on that link. So that way it'll show that I am sending business their way. In the long run, you're going to help out this channel, help out the Gentleman's Roundtable, as we will get some sort of kickback back from Peaky Hat in this situation. And like I said, all that money, whatever is made on my YouTube or anything else that I do, it goes straight back into reviews and everything that goes in the channel. I am in the process of purchasing a different camera as well for me to do more reviews on the outside on top of my some of the other camera that I have. A little bit more higher quality to do like reviews of me hiking and things like that. So if you guys would support, the way you can support that channel is if you click on that link, you plan on purchasing a Peaky Hat, and click on that link. That way it shows that I'm sending the traffic their way. Also, Peaky Hat until May 18th has a buy two get one free sale on their website. So now is the time to buy some Peaky Hats. And the reason I want to do this is because I'm also going to partake in that sale, because if I like this cap a lot, then I'll be purchasing more of those. So let's go ahead and get right into it here. We're going to use the old trusty Jimmy Guerrero knife here. And this is going to be a release that he is going to be announcing tonight. It is called the Dudley Solo. This took place of the Dudley caps. It's supposed to be a different, I mean, it's kind of the same material, but more of an easier feel. And from what my discussion was with Ryan a few months ago, is that it's a definitely huge upgrade. And I even got a pin with it. And he sent this to each one of the members of the Gentleman Roundtable for this here, just to give you guys a heads up. So we were lucky enough to get a hat. And again, we appreciate everything that Ryan and Peaky Hat does, and Ryan 2.0. But there is the pin that I get with it. This is magnetic. Those magnetic pins are amazing. And let's see here. Oh, we got some more Peaky stickers here. I already got my laptop full of them at work. Of course, you get the Steam video. Little thank you card. Put that over here. And of course, you get the little plastic dust bag, which I keep all my Peaky Hats in. And I got my own little bin for them. And here it is, the Dudley Solo. This is a lot different feel than the regular Dudleys were. He sent me the black, and you can see through that. This is very lightweight. You can definitely see through. Definitely a summer cap. And it has that Dudley feel. And I'm going to definitely go grab the old Dudley and compare the two as far as the fabric goes. But it is the black version. This is pure black. I mean, there's no specks of any other color in here. And of course, you got the, I don't know, I thought it's mesh material. But what this reminds me is those swim trunks you used to wear. And they used to have that thing inside, that's exactly what it reminds me of, but it's mesh. But yeah, here it is here. The Dudley Solo. This is a narrower fit than the regular Dudley. And like I said, I'll compare the two. And yeah, I'm excited to try this. Yeah, this is extremely lightweight. And the fabric's a little more firm than some of the, than like the linen from Sturkowski is. So it's definitely, I don't think there's going to be much like dropping in the cap like you do get in a Sturkowski linen. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and try them on here. Let's go ahead and show you a close-up. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other Dudley as well and compare the two. All right, so here's all the Dudleys in one here. Of course, the Dudley Solo in the front. And the original Dudley here, which is being closed out. And I have three different colors. I believe this one's the red, the rose, and some kind of green. Now, he is going to come out with a ton of colors of the Solo as well. Now, I will tell you, this here fabric is lighter than the old Dudley. So even though this is extremely lightweight, this new Dudley Solo is a lighter fabric. Yeah, so that is it there. Again, you got everything in here now. I got a large 60 centimeter. I wear 60, 59, 60. Come on, talk to me. And there's that. And these are, I believe these are larges as well. And I think I did something. Get an extra large in the Dudley red. I think I did get this one here. Nope, I lied. But here's all three colors that I own of the Dudley and then the Dudley Solo. And I'm hoping this feels great, so that way I'll end up ordering more colors of this. Because it is starting to get hot here. It was 90 degrees here in Wichita today. And let's go and try them out. So let's go ahead and take off the Stray. By the way, the Stray is one of my favorite caps by Peaky Hat. Amazing job here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on the old school Dudleys first. The original Dudleys. Now one thing is, I mean, I'll be honest, when I got these caps, I mean, I got them on the closeout deal, but I mean, they just really, I mean, with the baggy sides, it just really, I mean, it looks good. It's just, I'm not a huge fan of the poofy side, or like I said, the drape, well, you know what I mean, like this part here, the mushroom top, or kind of looks, I don't know, I ain't gonna say that part, but yeah, kind of like the mushroom top here. And this is the green. This is the rose. I mean, it's still a good looking cap. They just weren't one of my favorites. And this is the red. This one here needs to be a little steamed like that. Yep, sure does. All right, and then the moment we're waiting for is the new Dudley Solo. I even put the pin on the side that I got with the cap. It says Peaky Hat on it. See how this feels. Yeah, it's night and day. It's night and day. Wow. Wow, this is so much smoother on the head than the old Dudleys. The Dudleys didn't have that mesh in the inside. I mean, they were lightweight, but like I said, this is definitely a lot more lightweight than that. Well, you can see, man. Yeah, this fits great. Yeah, yeah. And Ryan, I can totally see what you're talking about as far as the new Dudley Solo is, what we talked about on a meeting a few weeks ago. And I concur, I agree 100%. This is a great cap. Great summer cap. And this does, I'll be honest with you. You know, the Salt Box last year by Boston Scally had the patchwork, and then they released those three colors recently. I don't own any of I own the original Salt Box, and this is a better cap. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a better cap. You know, the thing is like, I'm not saying Boston Scally stole their idea of releasing other colors, and I can't wait to see what other colors this comes in. But I will tell you that I'm gonna buy 3 of these, so I can buy the 2, get 1 free. And again, I'll put that link to where you can help out the channel. And I'm glad I did not buy the new Salt Boxes by Boston Scally, because I'm pretty sure the variety of colors this is gonna come in, and it's a higher quality cap. Let's just be honest. You know, Boston Scally's great, and I understand that they may have took some shots at us after we did the Good, Bad, and Ugly episode. Well, pretty much Ant with his backwards hat. And, you know, it's to each their own. I mean, I don't think we were very disrespectful in that episode. I thought we kept it professional, and we never dogged them. And for them to make that snippet, even if it just happens to be so coincidental, which is highly skeptical. Like I said, we didn't throw them under the bus. We didn't dog walk them. We just said what they can improve on and what majority of people felt the way we did. And you know, for them, I don't understand. I mean, they're too big of a company to care about the Gentleman's Roundtable or anything like that. But I have a feeling their fan base is starting to go to Peaky Hat. I mean, this is an amazing cap. If I were to grade this, I'm going to give this a 4.7, 4.8, just because how smooth it fits on my head and how light it is. I mean, this is up there with the Strakowski's summer caps. And you know, I mean, with it being more firmer of a fabric, you don't get that big poof in the middle, like where it dips down, because it's got more of that firmer fabric. It's a great cap, and like I said, Boss Skelly, if you guys took that the wrong way, I'm sure you guys watch our reviews or watch our show or watch that show. It was no way being disrespectful. It was just being honest. And if honesty hurts you that much, then I apologize. But maybe you should look in the mirror and see what is possibly the issue. You know, I always told you, when you point your finger, your thumb's going back to somebody else, and usually that thumb is the one that's in the wrong. But yeah, that's it for there. That's here, near or there. I got sidetracked and sticking up for my buddy Ant. But Peaky Hat, amazing job, Ryan. I appreciate it. I appreciate you selecting us for the affiliation program as well, and it means a lot. Great cap, and I will be purchasing more. And like I said, Peaky Hat is the way to go. I mean, this is a great cap, and very nice, very nice. All right, everybody, Reviews and Moose, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching, everybody.